Did you know hyenas are nature's ultimate cleanup crew, essential for a healthy ecosystem? Hyenas are skilled scavengers, consuming carrion and reducing the spread of diseases. Their powerful jaws can crush bones, allowing them to access nutrients unavailable to other animals. Unfortunately, hyenas face threats like habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict, leading to declining populations. This loss disrupts natural processes, affecting ecosystem balance. Let's appreciate hyenas' role in nature and support conservation efforts to protect these vital creatures. Like this video so that it can reach to wider audience.